Hi guys, I am Miss Poole and I'm your teacher for the Lakeshore Flex program. I'm going to go over your expectation for your middle years package 1 3-week first block. Okay, in your package you're going to have multiple things. We are going to focus on math and we're going to be focusing on a science, which is space, the unit, and a literacy theme together. Okay, so in your package you're going to have these things. First and foremost, you will have a schedule that goes over everything that you should be doing every day. It gives you a bit of a list, gives you some suggestions on what you need to be doing on your own. And as you need to know, we will be meeting every day from Monday to Thursday from 10:30 to 11:30. Okay, every day from 10:30 to 11:30 we will be meeting on Teams. Make sure you log on and are there. I will record each meeting as well, so if you happen to miss it, you can't log on for some reason, you're busy, you have an appointment, you can just access it through my YouTube channel and you'll be able to access it there, no problem. Okay, so you will have your schedule. Your schedule is 3 pages long, 1 for each week. Okay, then on top of that, you're going to have all of your expected work to do. So you guys will have all the fact sheets, just helping you remember your multiplication and division facts, single digit, just practicing your recall. You will have a math unit package. This unit is mainly focusing on place value, multiplication, and division. We're getting into 2-digit by 2-digit, 2-digit into multiple digit for division. Okay? For math, you will also have a package that looks like this. And it's Math Essentials, and it goes by week. Now, yes, it says grade 5. This is American. So American math is a bit different than Canadian math. So a lot of their American math, even though it might say grade 5, goes all the way up to our grade 7 level math. Okay, so we'll all be working on this together. Okay, and it has weeks 1, 2, and 3 all in this one package. There is also a large package that looks like this. Looks very boring, kind of is boring, but you're going to be counting up by 8s by certain numbers, and that's laid out to you in your schedule. So if you look at the schedule, we'll go over it. It shows you which numbers you have to count up by 8s from. Whew, that's hard to say. All right, in there we also have a science unit and ELA unit combined, and we are going to be focusing our science this 3-week block on space. So you will have this booklet that you need to work your way through. We'll be doing a lot of this together through our Teams meetings, but some of it will be expected to be done on your own. So make sure you're looking at our weekly schedules so you know which ones we're going to work on together and which ones are expected to be only your responsibility. We also have in there some sheets, 3 sheets that look exactly the same, like this. And in the schedule, I refer to these as our FQIC sheets. F for fact, Q for question, I for inference, and C for connection. So once we have read one of these lovely stories, we have 3 of them: Coyote and the Star, A Visit to Kitt Peak, and Our Solar System. The expectation is you will read these books. I will also put a video of myself reading those books and with a brief discussion. You will read those books and then you will fill out one of these sheets based on the book. So you will take the book, you will write down a fact, event, or quote from the book, a question that is directly related back to this fact, an inference. Now, an inference, remember, an inference is something that we might not know the answer to, but we can figure it out from reading between the lines, or we figure it out because we are critical thinkers and we can think our way through a question we may have. So your inference, a good way to make your inference on this, based on this fact and this question, is look at your question that you posed and you try to answer the question based on making educated assumptions. Don't make silly guesses. Educated assumptions, okay? And then a connection. How can you connect what you've learned to something else that you've learned? And this might be difficult at the beginning of the unit, but as we go through the unit and you develop more knowledge based on science and on space, you are going to be able to make a lot more connections, okay? So for each book, 3 facts, events or quotes, questions directly related to those facts, an inference directly related to those questions, and a connection directly related back to those things as well. Okay? So those are the activities that are in your package. Now, if we go over, the actual weekly expectations, week 1, February 14th to 18th. Okay, remember, Teams meetings every day, 10:30 to 11:30. Get out of bed, get to our Teams meeting. All right, first Teams meeting, okay, we're going to go over our weekly expectations and we're going to start a science booklet together. Now, it says, oh, we're going to start on page 3 because on your own, you're going to be doing page 2 out of your science booklet on your own. Okay, you have to do that. Also, make sure if you look over here on this side, this lists all the expectations of the week. So in our Science ELA theme, we're going to be working on pages 1 to 9 in our space booklet. We're going to read and respond to our solar system book. So that's one of those little books I talked about. You have to read it and you have to do that FQIC page on it. There's also a video to watch. Okay, I've included the link. So all you have to do is click on that link and you will be able to access it. It's a YouTube video and it just describes what our solar system is. Okay, so I would recommend that you watch these videos before the beginning of every week. Okay, so we're going to be working on some science on our Teams meeting on Monday, and then on your own, you're going to go to your math unit on your own, do page 1. And then in your science booklet, like I said, you have to do page 2 on your own and make sure you watch that solar system video. Tuesday, we're going to focus more on math. Okay? We're going to start on our math essentials. We'll start on page 1, get as far as we can. And working through our math unit work starting on page 2 because you've already done page 1. All right, and then you're going to either on your own read our solar system, or you can watch the video of me reading it, and you have to do the FQIC sheet on your own. Wednesday, we're going back to our Science ELA study, and we are going to focus on discussing the solar system book and our FQIC, so come prepared with it ready. You'll have to share some of your answers. And then we're gonna continue to work through our science space booklet together on page 4 and 5. On your own, you're going to do page 6 to 9 in your science booklet. Thursday, it's back to math. We're going to continue on with some of the math essentials, okay? And then in our math practice unit, we're going to do pages 4 and 5 together, okay? You're going to see here that we also have all the fact sheets. Those are those multiplication and division practice sheets. You'll have to do that sometime this week, but that's all on your own. So on Friday, if you have not completed any of the work that is needed to be completed, that's your day to catch up. Also, on Friday, if you have any questions that you want to reach out to me privately, that's your day to send me a message on Teams or an email, or we'll video chat on Teams, and we can help you out that way as well. Okay, guys, as a reminder, we will be meeting every day from 10:30 to 11:30. Second week, same kind of concept. We're focusing on our space and our math. So make sure you're checking off the activities for the week. Okay? So we have all this: space booklet, read and respond, visit to Kit Peak, watching a video on space exploration. Now we're doing, in math, we're doing weekly essentials, week 2. Math unit, we're working on pages 6 to 9. And we're counting up by 8s from the numbers 0, 3, 5, 8, 12, 24, and 36 in the booklet. Okay? And then our final week, science, we're going to finish off that space booklet. Okay? We're doing pages 20 to 31 in the space booklet. We are also reading the book Coyote and the Star. Okay? And there's another video for you to watch on the chance, are there aliens? Is there a chance that there's aliens, other life around us? Math, we're going to do weekly essentials, week 3. Math unit work from page 10 to 14. We're going to finish that off. And you're going to continue to count up by 8s from the numbers 47, 58, 60, 79, 81, 88, and 93. And again, every Friday is your work day. Okay? If you have questions, if you need to catch up on work, if we're doing any research projects, that's your day. All right, guys, I hope that helps you out, and I will see you on Monday in our Teams meeting. Okay, take care, guys.